In this video here, I've got a master lock. It's number 5. Another friend of mine gave me. There's no key to this one. When you see, we can't take a little half rake here and rake this one open. And give it a try here. And just zip it. The whole plug is like moving up and down on it. There it goes. Yeah, just kind of just raked open. There's not much skill required on that. Just stick it in and shake it around. That's while we're at it, I guess these locks have been in some other videos. This is another master lock, a number, I think it's 470. I can't see it on the camera. 570, whatever. Yeah, this one I picked so much, kind of just remember how to do it. Not that easy though. There it goes. Yeah, that was master lock, but I mean it's not very hard. And then this one, master lock V-line series. And this one, there's another spring-loaded one. There it goes. Not much more than just sticking it in and shaking it around. And it's all for now.